command prompt is essentially a text-based input mechanism that allows you to control your computer using commands rather than the graphical options available within Windows. To demonstrate this, let's get started by opening a command prompt window. To do this, press the Windows key and R buttons on your keyboard at the same time, type in CMD in the run box that appears, and then press enter. The command prompt window should then appear on screen. On this window, you'll be able to see the current working folder. In this case, this is C Users Administrator. If we right-click on the top of the window, we'll see the Edit submenu. This has the following options available. Mark. This allows you to mark specific text within a command prompt window in order to allow it to be copied into another application such as Notepad. Copy. This allows you to copy the text you have selected with the mark command. Note that to use this command, you need to right-click on the bar and then copy, because if you click on the command window, it will deselect the text before you are able to copy it. Scroll. This option lets you scroll up and down the command prompt window by using the up and down arrow keys. This can be useful if you don't have a scroll wheel on your mouse. Select all. As you may have guessed, this option selects all text in the command prompt window, whilst Find allows you to search for matching text. To access the advanced options available here, right-click on the bar at the top and then click on Properties. On the Properties dialog box, we have multiple tabs, all of which allow you to configure different options. First, we have the Options tab, which has options such as the buffer size, which allows you to configure how many previous commands are remembered. After this, it's the Fonts tab, which allows you to set the font size and fonts used within the command prompt window. The Layout tab allows you to set options such as the screen buffer size, window size, and window position. The Colors tab, as you might have guessed, allows you to set the colours for the text and background within the window. Now that we've gone over the command prompt, let's move on to creating files and directories.